Welcome to our lesson about working with boundary surfaces. I'm beginning with a sketch on the front plane. Now let's use the Center Point Arc tool. There's my arc. Right-click and select to exit the tool. Let's apply dimensions now. 50 millimeter radius. OK, and right-click and select to exit the dimension tool. Now shift-select this point, and this point, and add a horizontal relation. And we're ready to exit the sketch now. Let's just get a better view. Now I'm going to create a reference plane. Let's select the front plane from the design tree. Then hold down the Control key and drag. This creates a new plane. Let's offset it by 70 millimeters. Let's create a new sketch on plane 1. Right-click, New Sketch. Activate the Line tool. Right-click and select to exit the Line tool. Now a construction line. From this point to here, right-click and select to exit the tool. Let's select the construction line and add a vertical relation. Now we'll apply dimensions. 80 millimeters here. OK. By 60 millimeters. OK. Let's exit the sketch. Extruded surface. Reverse the direction. Let's make it 30 millimeters and click OK. And a second extrude now. 30 millimeters as well. OK. Let's hide plane 1. Right-click, hide. Activate 3D sketch mode. Select the Spline tool. Let's create a spline from this point to this point. Right-click, End Spline. This leaves the tool active. We'll create another spline now from this point to this point. This time I'll right-click and select to exit the tool. Let's select this edge and shift-select the spline. Add a tangent relation. OK. Shift-select the spline again, and this edge. Another tangent relation. OK. This spline, this edge. Tangent relation. OK. Last one. Spline, edge, tangent relation. And OK. We're ready to exit the sketch. Surfaces tab. Boundary Surface tool. For direction 1, let's select this edge here and this edge. If you don't select the edges from the same side, the connectors will cross. If they do cross, just right-click and choose Flip Connectors. That looks better. Now let's specify the tangency type, tangency to face. Let's select another edge, tangency to face as well. We can adjust the tangency influence with this slider if needed. Let's restore it to 1. Now let's make our specifications for direction 2. We'll select this guide curve, click OK. Select the second guide curve, OK, and OK to exit the tool. And here is our boundary surface. This concludes our lesson about creating a boundary surface.